Hi there. This is a brand new video showcasing all the features of the Shopify Kiosk application running on the brand new Samsung Kiosk. We're going to go through an entire demo of the application now, including payment and receipt printing. So let's get started. At the very start, you can see that the application is currently running through some images and videos, which are the screensaver of the application. Of course, these can be customized in many different ways using our entire built-in digital signage system, which lets you change out images and videos and even bring in external web-based content to run on the screen, or split up the screen into different sections to run all of your digital signage content. So you can really create very engaging material that's going to attract users to come to the kiosk and engage with the digital display. So whenever a user is ready to start, all they have to do is simply tap on the screen to get started. Here you can see the way we can set this application up in many different ways, but the standard configuration is to show all of your collections on the main screen just like this, just like they would come up on your website. If we scroll through here, we can see all the collections come in with their collection images in a very beautiful, simple, intuitive layout, so the customer can simply just scroll through all of these and see all the collections that you have to offer. Of course, if we click on any one of these collections, it'll open up the individual products that are in that particular collection on the right side there. You can see the products loading here. We're in the Lego collection right now. It's very simple for clients to just scroll through and see all the products that are in this collection. If we go to another, we always have access to the collections on the right side here, so we can always go back and go to another collection. Simply tap it and it'll load on the right side. We can scroll again through all the various products that are available. As we can scroll down, more and more products may load depending on how big the collection is. You can see that we can actually fit thousands of products on the screen here using very sophisticated caching and performance-based improvements that we made over many years of developing these self-checkout applications. We're able to display large inventories of products on the display and make it very quick and smooth for the customer to scroll through them. At any time, if you're using tags, we can actually allow customers to filter by tags as well. The tags up here on the top right here. So if we click this, we can see there's a couple of tags in here: television, animation, Disney, and movies. So if I want to see all the Disney Funkos, all I do is click Disney, and the Disney Funkos pop up just like that. If I want to see Funkos from television, I can click television, and all my television Funkos will pop up like this. So if you're already using tags to sort out your products, they'll all appear in the top right corner, or we could simply just go back and view all to see all the products come up again, just like that. So whenever we're ready to look at a product more in detail, we can simply just click on any one of these products. So let's say we click on this item right here. It's going to load that product. It's going to load that product with the most recent inventory and pricing information. So we're always using the most recent data from your Shopify account to make sure that if customers are attempting to purchase, one, we have that item available in stock, and two, we're charging them at the right price. So that's always available right here. So we can click on any one of these products. If we go to one of the products and we want to add it to our cart, it's really easy to do that. All we have to do is just click Add to Cart. That's going to go into our checkout, which appears at the bottom right here in this green button. Let's say we go to a different collection here. Let's go over to, for example, the Lego collection. And we can add another item. This Stormtrooper helmet looks pretty neat. Click on that. You can see we populate this with all the descriptions that come in from your Shopify account. So if you're using those descriptions in Shopify, they'll all come in here. We have an entire image gallery built in. So if you use multiple images and multiple variants, you can actually look at all the images simply by clicking the image gallery up here. And then whenever we're ready to add this item to our cart, we simply click Add to Cart. And that's going to go into our cart again. You can see at the top here we have a banner, and this banner is also customizable just like the banners on the main screensaver page. You can use images, you can use videos, you can actually make these banners interactive, so if you click on them they can actually link to different products in the entire user interface as well. So you can make a lot of use of these banners to bring in either static content like images and videos into the experience, or even interactive content if you want to put in like an iframe or a web page with buttons and things like that that people could use and interact with, like a survey or maybe some kind of digital concierge or digital helper that helps you pick out products, things like that, or some kind of live information about which products are selling well. You can show that in this top area here, and this banner is fully customizable. You can increase the height, decrease the height, put it somewhere else on the screen. You have a lot of options there. So whenever we're ready to check out, all we have to do is simply go to our checkout. We just click this green button here. We can review our cart one more time. Here we have our items that we've selected, and then we're ready to check out and pay. So I'm just going to click checkout and pay. It's going to ask me to put in my email address. This is optional. We can make this optional. We can make this required. We can ask for many different types of information. It doesn't just have to be email. We could ask for email, phone number, all of that information. That'll go right into the Shopify order, just like customer information normally does. So you can actually track orders based on customer data as you would if somebody was ordering on your website. As long as they use the same email or the same phone number, you can actually track order history for a customer. So it's always a good idea to make emails required, but it's not necessary. So here we can click, we'll just enter in my email here. Now, another really neat feature we have in this that we rolled out recently is email corrections. If we're typing in an email on a self-checkout like this, a lot of the times, customers will make mistakes. They'll double tap by accident or something like that. And we always want to make sure we're getting the most accurate email because we're going to be sending them receipts and things like that after the fact. So here you see it offers me a correction. There could be a typo in your email address. Did you mean dr@gmail.com? I typed in 2 L's. It's correcting me to 1 L. So I can just click this and it's going to correct me there. So let me go through here. We'll check my email. That looks good. We'll use... Here we go. We're going to go to checkout and pay. It's going to present me with the total now. That total will pop up on the payment terminal here. So $84.74. I'm just simply going to tap my card. It's going to process that payment. Payment's been approved. The kiosk gets that approved notification. It'll submit the order into Shopify now, so that order will show up in Shopify. The customer will get their email. You will get your email as a vendor. And then, of course, we print out a receipt on the kiosk as well with all the order information and the transaction record. And that's pretty much it. The kiosk will refresh and then it's ready for the next customer to use. So that's a quick look at the Shopify self-checkout kiosk running on the brand new Samsung 24-inch Samsung kiosk system that is launching this year. We hope this was a very insightful video for you, and we'll hope to be making more of these soon, showing you all the various features. We've just covered a few of them. There's many more features of this software that we'll cover in videos to come. Thanks very much.